Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
You are stupid people promoting boxing around our country. People that have been supporting boxing, promoting boxing, doing everything to bring boxing back alive in our country. You will bring international boxers, celebrate them. You will not take people that have been celebrating boxing to come there, at least to carry the campaign. You will take them to government officials that don't support boxing, that don't support our sports in our country, that don't encourage our sports, that don't encourage boxing in this country, that have killed our sports generally. No be mumu na be.
Hi guys, it's your girl Lollipop. I've got an update for you. It's literally an update. It's not an update. It's an information and a gist at that matter. It's about Daddyshowkey. Do you remember? Somebody calling my name. You in the new generation, class. Okay, guys, it's about Daddyshowkey. Somebody calling my name Showkey. People they calling my name Showkey. Okay, Papa the para now, Baba the verse. Waiting happen, Baba calm down, relax. Yes, Daddyshowkey is in the news. Nigerian music icon Daddyshowkey has lambasted organizers who took American boxing champion Floyd Mayweather to transportation minister. Can you imagine? He's not even Minister of Sports. They took Floyd Mayweather to meet Minister of Transportation, Rotimi Amaechi. So they said they are celebrating the boxing. I don't know. So Papa did a para. Daddyshowkey the para that why would they even involve? Why would they not involve the real Nigerian boxer star? Yes, the boxing stars that we have right here in Nigeria, the lovers of boxing, the campaigner of boxing, and even the supporters too. So about the para, say, how come now you don't even involve any Nigerians? You just take one American Floyd Mayweather to meet a Minister of Transportation to celebrate boxing. In fact, this is how we kill this sport. Baba was just, Daddyshowkey was very, very annoyed. He was so angry that why would they even do such? Who are those people that took him there? That why would they neglect the stars? We have boxers here in Nigeria, we have their campaigners, we have their lovers, and we even have their supporters. So why would they not carry them along? Why would they just take one American? Please, let us appreciate ourselves in this country for once. Let's love ourselves now. It is right, Sha. Baba, calm down. Baba, they para. Baba, are you stupid? She's stupid, ne? You need to see how Papa was just, he was just, ranting. Let me say he's ranting. He was just talking. He was so angry in that video. You can go and watch it, guys. So that's it about Daddyshowkey.